Hello guys! Today we're gonna make Jello gummies!
So this is the ingredient. Jello
And unflavored gelatin and corn syrup
corn syrup, and
water.
Now let's start!
First we have to use the unflavored gelatin.
This one's mine.
Yes.
Let me taste it. This one?
All of the gelatin?
It tastes like nothing.
All the gelatin?
Guys, you know the gelatin is actually made by pigs and cows' tissues? It's so disgusting when I heard it. I was gonna throw up.
Mine's going out fast like snow.
Yeah, actually it looks like snow.
And now what color you want to do?
Let me do catch a tiger bite. So she has let her go.
You don't want the red?
No, I don't want the red. The red is the worst one color out of them all. It's this is also made out of gelatin. Wow, there's a lot of gelatin in this. One packet of these too.
Where do we put it? Where do we put
It's
this?
hard to pick.
Stop! Where do we put this, Mama?
Over the gelatin.
But this is one packet. How much do we put?
Yeah. One pack. Oh.
A whole bit?
Yeah.
That's a lot. Guys.
Look at it, Dad!
Oh, it's like an explosion, like for snow.
Mine's going
That's so much.
fast. Mine's going out faster than yours. Look how reddish mine is.
Look at how bluish mine is. Then you have to
make
then water. Then we need water. How much of water? Oh, it smells so good. I like it. Let's do the other colors now. Do we put gelatin?
Yeah.
But we already have one packet of gelatin, like you said.
Yeah, here on the other one.
Like me, right?
Right.
Guys, you know that green is my third favorite color and second is blue? Fourth is yellow. First
And
is
first?
black.
Now I put
Oh,
them
yeah.
all the way like I did with that one.
Yes.
Okay, let's open it here.
Okay, here it goes. Oh, look, it looks good as white.
Yeah.
Wow, that actually looks white. Oh, that smells good.
Look at this.
Wait, this also looks like blue.
That is actually soft.
Now we have all the colors. Red, blue, green, and yellow. Let's put the syrup and the
Corn
water.
syrup.
Put syrup and
Let
water.
me start with this.
Now we're gonna put a quarter cup of white corn syrup.
Dad's doing it right now. That's for me. Thank you.
Oh.
That looks so yummy.
That looks awesome.
This looks so fat, like grease. It looks so fat. Is that done yet?
Here we go.
There's so much.
Yeah.
Now we're done with the syrup. We're gonna put it with water. But the syrup didn't cover anywhere, only the sides. Do we have to put more? No, do we have to like side it?
No, we'll stir it.
Stare it.
3/4 cup.
Of water. 3/4 cup of water.
Or all.
Wow,
Yes.
that
Oh,
actually
oh,
looks
oh,
like that actually looks like how gummies are look like. Like how like gummy drink. Me turn.
Now stir. Turn. Now
Now you can stir it together gently. Yeah.
He's doing it so fast.
Yeah, so.
All right. You can stir it gently.
Wow! Look! Now, guys, we're gonna put it inside the microwave for 1 minute. That's so quick, but I can't wait for to eat the best Jello in the world.
And then we're gonna put it in here.
Molds! Now let's put it in. When you put it in the microwave, let it set for 5 minutes. And when you do, take out all these weird white stuff on the top of the gelatin, so it could be clear.
Now let's start.
Now let's use these to put the shape, to put it inside the mold. I can't wait for this. Hope it's not hot.
Eva, you're doing a flower, blue. And what about you, Sam?
I make Legos with all
Legos.
colors.
Now I want yellow.
I want to make like 1/2 of it. Wow, this is so hot, guys.
Mine looks some.
Okay, Ava done with the flowers now. Keep it on the side.
Now I'm starting with the Lego next.
And now you're gonna mix it with red?
Yeah! And then I'm gonna make purple. Let's do it.
Good job. Here we go.
I have purple. Now I'm gonna mix the purple up a little bit.
Is it purple already, you think?
I think it's purple. Look, guys, it's purple right there. You see?
It looks a little reddish. This one looks weird, guys. You see? You can barely see the yellow.
Sticky, guys. Comment down below if you really want to do this. Now I
Mama's not gonna open that.
What you're doing now? The butterfly? Flower?
Daddy, put green. Put green. Put green.
It's like explosion.
You better do it gently.
Another explosion. And I continue.
I'm gonna put one side of
Look,
the
we
green.
hit the stuck. I keep getting it. Oh, there we go.
Then one put of them in yellow.
Help.
It looks a little orange. It looks a little
Yeah,
orange.
red
My
and
hands are
yellow.
stuck. Help.
It's so sticky, huh?
Yeah, it's really sticky.
What you're doing?
Please.
So,
Making a bow. Look, it's actually orange. Look, guys, look. Look, it's actually orange.
yeah.
The first orange I've ever made. Which one do I put it in?
That hurts.
Ow.
Oh, I'm done.
You better go wash your hands.
Yeah, Eva, you better go wash your hands. That's what I'm gonna do.
How sticky it is.
Yeah, it's very sticky, I gotta
How
say.
big?
Guys, we're gonna put all of these inside for these, and we're gonna make it all colorful. Guys, we're all done. So now we're gonna do is that we're gonna make a ginormous gummy bear that's this thick cup. We're gonna put all of these and mix it together and then put
And
candy
put
inside.
candy on it.
Put it all in, Daddy. Now let's pour it in.
Dad is here to pour it in.
And then, how about we just put Smarties on the next green floor, and then we put weird circles there on the first floor. Oh, it's Smarties. First we put M&M's, second we'll try Smarties, and third you put the nuts. Oh.
On the cup.
Now we have to just wait for 30 minutes for it could become real jelly, real gummies. So we'll be back. We finished it putting in the freezer for 2 hours or more. Now we're finally finished. So now let's put it in.
Look at mine.
Oh, wow.
Look.
Flower.
Going in.
Look at how amazing.
This is hard. There.
Oh my God. Okay, guys, look.
Here, what you got? A flower. Wow.
Look
Oh
at how
my
cool
God.
this flower looks.
Look how awesome this looks. Guys, look how awesome this looks.
Wow.
I'm gonna put it in.
Yeah, they help us a little bit though. Look. Look at how this turned out.
Wow.
Look at how this turned out, guys. Look.
Wow. Look at that butterfly. How
Wait,
pretty
what?
it looks.
Oh my God, it's so pretty.
Look.
Look, guys, look. You see this?
It's the
Yeah, look, it has red, orange, and yellow.
guys,
Yeah.
it's the stick. No. Okay. Now let's play with these toys.
Legos.
Yeah.
Colorful. Wow. So colorful and
Look how
good.
colorful it is.
Yeah.
Look, I could just do like that and then.
Look how awesome my
Green,
book-
yellow, blue, red. All the colors.
I actually did it. The best part of these gummies is that you can play with it, and then when you're done playing, you can eat it like.
My sandwich. Time to eat it.
Now we're gonna do the cups. These are so big, guys.
How do I open?
smells. Yeah, my turn.
Watch out for your hands.
Now we're gonna try the ones with candy. It looks so disgusting. I hope it's good though. Is it good?
Yeah.
It's not good with nerds.
Can I try one? Can I try one?
Oh, is it good with M&M?
I'm gonna try this one then.
You like those better, the shapes?
Yeah.
What? The nerds is not good?
The
The M&Ms is better?
Last one.
The Smarties?
Let me try the other.
Which one is the best?
Part M&M.
Oh, really?
This one's the worst. The second is the best. But this is the best.
Which one is the best?
This one too is my favorite.
M&Ms?
Both.
Okay.
This and this is my favorite.